Hey my chickadees, welcome back to the Back 40. It is time for our January junk journal prompt. And this is prompt number 6. And it is stitches. I believe it's what I said. I hope so, because I sure did some stitches. I'm sorry, that was prompt 7. 7 is stitched. Okay? 7 is stitched. So, this is what I did, and I was inspired to do this by Miss Penny Pug. If you need a Stampin' Up! Representative or some Stampin' Up! Stuff, you can call Miss Penny. But she's sweetheart, love her. And at 7:30, she's live on YouTube, so go look her up. I'll try to get her link down below. But she had this done, and she showed me how to do it. So, you take double-sided tape and you put your little square fabrics down, and then you use that down, then you put it down over top of your paper, and it sticks on your paper. You can leave it like that, or you can stitch it. You can use it for a number of things, clusters, all kind of stuff. So what I did was I took a piece of I think it was one of those credit card things they send you in the mail. I took a piece of junk mail and put this on it. Then I took it to my sewing machine and did some little loopy-loos across there. Then I did some straight zigzag stitching all over the place. And then I put it together so it opens up and on one end. Oh, I put it on the wrong end, y'all. I put it upside down. But it has an opening where you can slide something up in there and you know, hide it if you want to. And then it flips over like a little extender flip out, and then you have your page. And then I just put the antique music paper as a border on both sides. And that is my stitch, prompt 7. And then y'all know from over here, this was prompt 6, and I think I said 5 on my video yesterday, but I'll have to fix that. Okay, all right. That's it. I hope y'all have had a good weekend. Bye. Love you. Bye, Stella Bug. Love you, baby. Mwah.
Listen to me, baby. He's got issues. Throw away your tissues. Don't be hard on yourself.